Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another ukulele tutorial, and yes, this is another Boywithuke minute-long song. It's not released yet, but it is I'm Not Scared. Alright, so you know what to do. Grab your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. Now let's go ahead and get to the chords. Also, quick interruption, my album is going to be coming out sometime this week. I uploaded it yesterday as of this video coming out, so it didn't quite make it to New Year's, but it's right around the corner, so it should be up on like Spotify, iTunes, everywhere. So yeah, go check out my album and support me. If you want to go check out my Spotify and see what else is on there right now, I'll put the link in the description, or you can just go on Spotify and type in Tiny Tulips, because that is what I'm known on Spotify. Alright guys, there are 5 chords to this song, and they're all bar chords, so it's going to be a little tricky for those of you that don't know how to do them, but if you want to practice them, this is a good song. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. The first one is a G flat, so you want to bar this first fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then your ring finger on the top string of the 3rd fret. And then for the next chord is an A flat. You want to keep this exact shape, but slide it down to the 3rd fret. So barred, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then ring finger, top string, 3rd fret. From the bar, of course. The chord after that is a B flat minor, which is just barring this 1st fret and then putting your ring finger on the top string of the 3rd fret. The chord after that is F minor, which looks like this. It is your pointer finger on the top string of the 1st fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, and your pinky on the last string of the 3rd fret. And the next chord is a D flat. So you want to go all the way to the 4th fret, bar it, put your middle finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret past the bar, and then you want to put your ring finger on the top string of the 3rd fret past the bar. So those are all the chords in this song. G flat, A flat, B flat minor, F minor, and then D flat. Now let's go ahead and get to the strumming pattern. Alright, so the strumming pattern for this song is that standard, ukulele strumming, which is the down, down, up, down, up. And you want to do it 2 times on each chord, but there's only one difference with everything, okay? So the chords that I showed you, one of them is going to be interchangeable, and I'll show you when we get there, but there's basically 2 different orders of chords doing the down, down, up twice on, okay? So I'm just going to simplify it by running it through with you guys, and yeah, hopefully it makes more sense. So starting with that G flat, we're going to do the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then go to that A flat, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we go to B flat minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. This is the chord that's going to change on the next go around. And then we get to the F minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's 1 time through. The second time through, we're going to do the same thing. G flat, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. A flat, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But instead of going to that B, we're going to go to that D and do the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then back to the F. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's the only difference, is just swapping that B flat minor for the D flat. But other than that, that's just how you play it the whole way through though, is G flat, A flat, B flat minor, F minor, and then the second go around is G flat, A flat, D flat, and then F minor. So you're literally just swapping the B for the D on the second go around, and that's how you play the song. So let's go ahead and try to sing a little bit of this. I'm just a boy without a name. I touch the fire, so I burn. I don't avoid it when it rains, so I can show you where it hurts. I'm just a boy with time to waste. I wear my hood to hide my hair. I tell my friends I like the pain. I swear that I'm not scared. I swear that I'm not scared. I hope to help you guys learn how to play I'm Not Scared by Boywithuke. This one seems like it's going to be a really fun one once the album comes out, assuming these are all going to be on the album, all these minute-long songs. That's just my guess. But anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my music. And I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?